or meatballs. We can first make a mix it, panko, and then we're gonna mix up milk. I'm mixing this with a spatula. Next ingredient is this, a whole peeled tomato. Whoa, that's so much. Olive oil, and we're adding sugar, salt. In a Dutch oven, we're gonna mix all of these ingredients. This can be yummy. It smells like these. Now we're gonna make a meat mixture. First I'm adding oregano. Then we're gonna add garlic powder. Then we're gonna add this parmesan. Now I'm gonna go wash my hands. They're all clean. Now we're gonna test a meat. I'm gonna mix it all together with my hands. We can't eat this yet. It's raw meat. My mom never lets me touch raw meat, but now she's letting me because I'm a chef now. Now we're gonna make a meatballs. We're gonna take a little bit of meat and then mold it in the hands. First step is that one. And we're gonna make it one more. If it's sticky, that's okay. Do this and then we smush them in a tiny bit and then we roll them. Consistency is key. My papa taught me because he's a chef. Now we're going to put the meatballs in the sauce. Just. Now we are going to wash our hands. Now we're going to bring this to simmer on medium heat. Cover it, cook till the meatballs all the way through. 15 to 18 minutes. Don't forget to stir halfway through. This step we need a mom or dad to help you. Mommy, can you help? Oh yeah! Let's give it a try. Oh no, it's yummy. And this is called pappardelle pasta, but it looks like whipping.